Become faceless to be fair. You just might wonder, what is this concept? But trust me, it is a hot topic trending today. Most of the next-gen startups in India are embracing this practice. Have you ever wondered that your workplace isn't entirely fair? Your boss approved your colleague's one day's leave but rejected yours. Or perhaps you just got 15% hike in your salary and your colleague got 25% raise with the similar performance. We can all relate with these situations because we've gone through it at some point of time. To promote parity and transparency, companies are using AI tools to create smart algorithms and dashboards, only to evaluate employees under various parameters. You name it, from attendance to performance. No more approvals required. Fixed benchmarks are already preset. If you happen to walk into office late, your salary automatically gets deducted. If you hit a certain performance bracket, your salary hike and incentive payouts are all predefined. This shift has brought parity across the board, but not everyone is on board with this concept. With work from home and remote jobs, facelessness has gone one step further. You don't even know which part of the country or which part of the world is your colleague or your boss is working from. Well, talking about facelessness, the government of India has introduced faceless reforms for taxpayers. This Amendment Act has incorporated the Faceless Assessment Scheme under Section 144B. The faceless assessment in India have completely eliminated the physical interface between the taxpayer and the assessing authority. Instead, it involves electronic interface right from the selection of cases for the scrutiny with the help of automated allocation systems involving an algorithm and randomized allocation of cases by using suitable technological tools including artificial intelligence and machine learning. This groundbreaking approach is not only streamlining the process but also ensuring impartiality. No longer one can blame bias or even manipulation in the system. If you liked this insight, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay faceless to be fair.